Definitely coarse. A 12? It's definitely a 57. I think it's a 12. I think I saw a 2. Must be the coarse drawer. There's one way to find out. If it fits, it's the right one. Ooh.
Look at that.
Difference in size. You should never start a new stone when you're finishing work.
Oh, thanks.
Never break a new stone in on a finished job.
Sure you want it.
Look at that, already cut out.
Oh yeah.
Already cut 3/10 out back there.
Nice.
New stone in there.
Big difference.
Probably enough. No. It's better though. Cutting like crazy in there. Ooh, look at that. It cut the piss out of that. It's no longer 12. Now it's 17.
Oh.
Cut right where it's supposed to. Okay, that's enough for that one. I think we already did the other ones already, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that one's out. Now we put the fine one in there. Fine piece of equipment that one is. Very fine. Which one we just do? The intake? It's a good one to start on. Is this rear head? Rear head with the small one.
Yep.
This stone actually is straight and more true.
Nice.
I'm going to screw up like that. I might actually fix all of them.
But you'll probably keep using the old one still.
No, I put it in the junk pile over there.
Oh, good.
Yeah, 25, see? Clear out the tip. Half a thou in the center and then knock out. Actually 6/10. Super fine finish. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Good, right? Until you get the tip and it goes like that.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think there's something wrong with my stone.
System.
What do you think?
System's failure.
That don't look right?
Doesn't look right.
Yeah, it doesn't look right. I think there's something wrong. See, that's what happens when you push on the tip.
Huh.
That is not round.
Oh, look at that thing jump around.
That ain't round at all.
Nope.
What we just found? Oh, this is wrong. Must have got knocked out pretty quick though.
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
It was really outrun. Probably still is. A lot better than it was. I don't care if I go a couple tenths extra. Try it right, 9 right there. There's 11. About 8.5 right there, 9, maybe 10, 10. Give a couple more strokes this angle. Knock out any more out roundness. You go from both directions to help knock out unevenness.
Mm-hmm.
That guy was pretty far out, but it came in quick. Right at 11, pretty much all the way there now. There's 10. It goes to 11 or 12 right there, then it gets big. Alright, that's where that guy's already opened up already. Can't fix that. Okay, that's our rear head. That was 31. Which is what our valve over there is marked.
Mm-hmm.
So this one's done. This one over here. Do the same thing too. How bad is this exhaust valve going to be? This too bad? Nothing like that last one.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good. How straight it is?
Oh, that's good.
1/10 out of road at most, straight for over half the day, dead straight. Once you're going to get near the tip there, it kind of gets big again. Guys aren't got much to work with. Straight that is.
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
The size good right now, but I want to make it a little bigger like the other one.
Mm-hmm.
So you get a little more heat in the load without feeling like sticking. Here's an exhaust. Here's an old motor. They tend to run a little hotter.
Okay.
Probably because they don't drive too much,
Yeah.
speed-wise.
Mm-hmm.
You're in a hot environment up where you're at.
Yep.
You get a little extra clearance for expansion. I build a bike for who it is,
That makes sense.
not by application. Okay, so then with 11 all the way. Pretty much dead straight on that one.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Especially considering how bad it started. Okay, this one here we got way out. See, look at the low spot there, but I think it's tight. Okay, go around shooting and really bill mouse out bad there. Okay, this one's a lot bigger. This one's loose now. Feels fairly round though.
Mm-hmm.
Even though it's not.
Yeah.
That's because the hole is not shaped like this. It's not perfectly straight.
Okay.
So it'd be pretty round the whole way, but it's got a low spot here and a low spot on this other side. It's not going straight. It'll be low on this side, low on this side. The straight line is round, but the hole itself gets big on the edge because it's not a straight hole. If that made any sense to you.
It does make sense.
Holland's trying to make the guys straight, round, and true.
Sure.
Of course, it gets way out of round. Is that because you're fixing an unstraight hole, or because you can't hold a round hole? Which one is it?
Could be a little both.
Yeah. Then you throw some taper in it, confuse you.
Yeah.
We got 31. Tight right in the middle. Tip.
Yeah, right there.
About 30 to 31. Straightened out real good because it was way out around on that one side. So luckily the straightness and the diameter came about equal. So the diameter was going up, it was getting straighter. Alright, that might be enough. Oh yeah, I got these. Pretty straight around now. See?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good.
About 34, 35. A couple tenths more on that one. Did I do the same on this one, Jake? I don't remember. This one was 31 was supposed to be. Could be a little bit more. A few more strokes, 2 or 3 more strokes. This one doesn't feel as round as the other one. That's good though. See that?
Uh-huh. Look at that, straight.
So now it's about 33, so I'm about 2 tenths up on everything. Give you that little extra clearance for the heat.
Nice.
So, all right, get this cleaned up, we'll be back.